rushing your food now. Stop rushing your. It's your food.
I'm afraid it might run away.
It's not going to run away. Don't worry. Stop it. Stop. Wait. Do you understand? Stop rushing it.
I've not eaten for 3 days now.
Sorry. Now take it easy. So you will not choke. The food is all yours. Okay. So you didn't hear my cause, this is what you've been doing. No, you just. She is hungry. I'm just trying to. This is what you want to help me. Just trying to help you, Mama. You bring my hard earned food to this village layout. Mama, no. Nobody to help him. You are the one helping him. I'm just helping him. Mama, please. Mama. That boy is doomed for life. He's doomed though. No, Mama, don't say that. Don't say that to me. Don't say that about him. Mama, it's not a village layabout. It's just unfortunate. It's just unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Yes. And I am telling you that boy is doomed for life. He's doomed though. Stop saying it. He's not doomed for life. Stop saying it, Mama. It's just unfortunate. Yes. Stop saying it. It's unfortunate. Yes. Then you carry my food to give to that idiot. That good for nothing boy. Boy is from a mad community. You will not hear. Leave that boy alone. You will show. Something there. No one will have to tell me about that. Wait.
Sorry, it's okay. Sorry. No. Sorry. Sorry.
Amadi, if not for you, that woman would have disfigured my face with that plate of soup. Why does that woman hate you so much? Why? Hate me? That woman doesn't just hate me, she wants to kill me. She wants to kill me because I'm a bastard. Why are you saying like that? What do you want me to say? What will a poor man like me say? I'm just tired of this life. I wish my mother aborted me when she conceived me. Like, Ukwa, then Kusina, what you're saying? Stop saying that. It's okay, sorry. What kind of suffering is this? How long will I keep suffering like this? But to tell me now, what did I do that you put pot soup on my face? It's okay. At least you're fine. Sorry. Look at, don't worry. You're fine. You're okay. Sorry. If she had blinded my eyes, now what would she have said? I understand. Sorry. Am I the first person to fall in love? Is it because I'm in love with her daughter? What kind of rubbish is this? She don't put soup on my body.
From here like this way, to that pantry. See that pantry there?
From here to that palm tree?
Yes, that is where my boundary ends.
Amada, you should have told me now. Your money is small. The money you gave me is small now.
This way and this one, is it not money? But we've negotiated now.
No, madam, it will cost you more.
So,
madam, this is it. No, now. It will cost more money.
You know, I've given you some money. I will come back later in the day to balance you, to see what you've done before I balance you. Sure, you know.
Madam, this is a very big work.
It's a small job, you can do it.
It's not a small job, it's a big job.
Make sure you do it very well, before I balance you.
No problem, I'll do it.
Alright, thank you.
I'll get my money ready.
here?
What am I doing here?
Yes.
You see me in my compound after a day's hard work and you're asking me what I'm doing here?
What day's hard work are you talking about? What nonsense day's hard work when you've not finished cutting the bush I paid you for? Eh?
Oh, madam, I've done your work now. I should be asking you for my money.
Monica, what money are you talking about? Listen, let me tell you. Before I close my eyes and open them, if you don't go back to that bush and finish up your work, else forget your money. Period. Nonsense. Come and collect the money now.
What am I attacking? Promise me something. That if I kill you, that your blood will not be on my head. Promise me that.
I'll be the one to kill you.
You'll be the one to kill
Well,
me.
remember about it. If I kill you, that's what happens.
Because I have malaria. Yeah. Can you try it in 2 days' time?
After malaria, there will be diabetes.
Try it in 2 days' time.
After malaria, there will be diabetes. Malaria and the baby.
Come.
They let you know.
After
malaria,
malaria, who harvested my plantain? Huh? Who here harvested my plantain? Let the person come out and say it to you. Yeah?
Why are you shouting?
Me shouting. I said that somebody went to cut my plantain at N1. And you said I'm shouting.
You should have asked me now.
You know what?
I harvested it. I was hungry. I've not eaten for the past 3 days, so I went to cut it down.
It's a lie. You, Opa, harvested my plantain. Guess what? No digging. Are you not afraid to go harvest my plantain?
Uncle, is the plantain not for the family?
Does that include you? Does the family include you?
I've not eaten for the past 3 days.
I wish you do with this thing. Now get me plantain. Look at you. You have the audacity to go and harvest my plantain in a Chakuka plantain. I'm here to investigate you to know exactly where you go and steal food to refresh your body like this. Do you know it is just out of mercy? If not, I didn't believe it when you said it. If not, I would have set police on you now. You would have been behind bars in minutes from now. Because this is theft. This is robbery. Yamu, you are hungry.
Uncle, please let me have some of it to eat. I've not eaten anything for the past 3 days now. Why are you treating me like this?
Look, we are talking now. The next thing I will defend this from you, you go to the health center now. If you don't shut up. Already I have had mercy on you for leaving me to go scot-free. Come on, no refuse you. Bloody fool.
Ukwa, where are you coming from by this time?
In search of a job.
In search of a job? I thought that this is the season of bush clearing.
Well, as you can see, no one is ready to employ a laborer like me.
Why?
I don't blame them now. There's no money in the village. What do you want them to do?
Oh well, you're right. There's a saying that says that because no one has what to eat before he will now start looking for the one to give to the gods. But Okwa, let me make a suggestion to you. Why don't you clear one of your family lands? Let's borrow some seedlings like cassava, cocoyam, and start your own family. At least it will help you during harvest period to have food in the house.
And what makes you think I've not done that?
What makes you think I've not done that?
I've asked my uncle to show me a land so I can farm. He told me the land does not belong to me. I kept begging him, please uncle, give me a land so I can start doing something for myself. He said all the lands belongs to him. What do you want me to do? Not only that, he said I should go and sort out things with my mother. I'm not a member of the family. That's what he means.
Okay, don't worry. Everything is going to be okay. After rainfall comes sunshine. Just relax. Don't worry.
My brother, forget about these things. All right? As it is now, I'm an orphan. I don't have where to go to. I don't have who to run to. I'm just all alone by myself. I'm tired of this life. Can I follow you to the farm?
Of course, I cannot say no. But there's no food to eat after work. Except the little gari I have.
So you even have gari?
I have gari, but my father's wife will prepare fresh soup today.
Fresh fish? Well, you know I can't come to your house now.
You've forgotten the usual way. I will smuggle it and come to you. You're my brother now.
It's okay. Let's go now. Yeah?
Where do I go from here? Who do I turn to now? Things are falling apart. No one seems to care. What have I done wrong? Where do I go from here? I don't know.
What are you eating?
Gari.
Whose gari are you eating like that? I hope this is not my gari. Huh?
No, it's my friend Amadi that gave it to me.
Your friend Amadi gave you gari. So Okwa, it has come to this height that you have to go about the village begging for alms, begging people for gari, bringing dishonor to this family, bringing shame to this family. Olugo there. When will this stop? For how long can you continue this way?
I've told you to sort out my life for me. What do you want me to do?
It will help you out sort out your life. Let me tell you, if you're waiting for me to help you sort out your life, then your life is going to be on pause for a very long time. I have told you the key to your problem. Your mother. Go to your mother. Your mother is the person that will solve that your problem.
Well, uncle, how can I go to my mother? My mother lives with her husband. She has her own problems. Or you want me to go and compound her problems for her?
Okay, so me who is a beast, not anybody's husband, you should compound the problem for me. Is that what you're saying? Okwa. This is not the part of honor. It is not. Kangwagagwa. This is not the part of honor.
Uncle, okay, tell me, what is the part of honor? Do you want me to die of hunger in this village?
Are you not ashamed of voicing such a thing? An able-bodied young man like you, and you're saying I want to die of hunger. What does Omusa go of hunger? Okwa. Okay.
Part of honor. I've told you to help me sort out my life. You're ignoring me. What do you want me to do?
Let me tell you, the little life that you still have left, you are trying to throw it to the gallows. Your life is diminishing little by little when it's between 120. I will help you flush it. And it's like
I've told you people to tell me who my father is. You people don't want to tell me who my father is.
Your father is what's the name of that? Moses.
Where do I go from here? Who do I turn to now? Things are falling apart. No one seems to care. What have I done wrong? Where do I go from here? I don't know what to do. What have I done wrong? Where do I go from here? I don't know what to do. Where do I go from here? Who do I turn to now? Things are falling apart. No one seems to care.
I can see you just coming back.
I was on my way. Sit down. I had come back before, then I went out again.
Yes, I know. I know that you're hungry, I suppose. So I brought you food. So,
Listen, I'm afraid of your mother.
but I've told you severally now. Stop talking about my mother, eh? Just let her be. She's not a problem, okay? I say, my mother went to see my grandmother at Ebrahma today. And she'll be back tomorrow. So don't have fears. Yes.
So I should eat the food.
Of course, eat the food. It's your food. It's your food. Just take it easy now. Take it easy.
But the food is delicious now.
The food is all yours now.
Your cooking is something else.
Thank you very much. It's your food. It's all yours. You make my food. Took from my hand. That's what I'm about. I will kill you. Why you kill me? You are running away. You come back and meet me. You thought I won't come back. Stupid girl. You come and meet me here today. Where are you?
Daniel, where are you dressing up to go this morning?
I'm going out now. Is there any problem?
Of course, there are mountains of problem in this house and they need to be solved before you can go anywhere.
And what are these mountains of problems you're talking about? Can you enumerate them?
Is there any point in enumerating them? They are so numerous. We have so many problems to be solved. And, well, A little money can go a long way to solving some of them.
Oh, really? How much are we talking about here?
Well, 15,000 naira will be enough to start solving some of them.
You mean
15,000 naira only? That will be enough to start. Not that it will solve all the problems.
Well, Agnes, you know I don't have that kind of money. Not even to talk of having it in this house. I don't have it.
Well, that's unfortunate. You have to give me the money here and now. Otherwise, you're not leaving this house.
I can't understand you. When somebody tells you that he hasn't gotten the money, I don't have the money means I don't have the money. Cure ED.
You must have it, oh. Let me have the money, period. Then you're not going anywhere. There's something in this house. See how haggard I am. What do you want me to do? You're not leaving this house until you give me that money.
Do you know what I'm saying? I know for sure that patience is the only way out of the quagmire. Just patience.
That's what I've been hearing from you for so many months now. So many years. And you think you can continue to deceive me?
Deceive you? How can I deceive you?
Let me have the money.
Because I am not in the mood for your quarrel right now. Just let me go. I have an appointment.
You have an appointment?
Yes.
With your concubines? An appointment that is bigger than the problem we have in this family? You think I don't know how you squander money everywhere? You think I don't know how you frolic with all the women in this place? Yes, yes.
Women?
No, men. You're not going anywhere. You have to give me the money or you're not going anywhere. Never go. Give me the money.
I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
Give me. Give me.
No. My fear is that if I did to that, you will tell your parents and they won't give you anything again.
Hey, you see it?
I remember that day he said that if you come out in the morning and your phone start chasing you, better run away because it might have developed things overnight.
Who is the foul? You are the foul! You are the foul! Come on, let us fight! I can't mess it up here. I haven't even touched him. Mother what? Yeah? Then get up and let us do the fight. It is what of us today. We are going to finish ourselves. Go near! Mother, come on. I'm not going. He should get up. He wants to fight. No, I'm not leaving him. I'm not going anywhere. Let us do the fight now. No! Don't tell me to leave him. Nah. Stop pretending. Stop pretending. You threw me down in the room. Now you are down. Just get up. The way I got up, get up. There's no pretense, so it's a fight.
Mother, it's serious.
Come here.
My father is dying.
Okay, sit down.
Mother, please, don't do this to me.
No, I'm not crying. No, mother. Daniel. Mother, it was only a husband and wife fight. Okay. I will allow you to go to where you want to go to. Come on, go to where you want to go to. I will not leave you. Is that how you leave it? Touch it!
your friend. When she come advise her.
Advise her.
Is it your friend? Without sleep guy. Village guy. Like I can't stay with any village boy.
What are you talking? I better go and sit down.
Yeah, my next name will be Favor.
Hey, Onyakam. Hey, Maka. Hey, Maka. Hey, Mama.
Oga Wakwe, I have told you several times. My name is not Imaka, my name is Chiamaka.
You see,
Chiamaka. C-H-I-A-M-A-K-A. Chiamaka.
That's for some of you who go to night school. I didn't go school to that level. But what I know is that Imaka, what is the difference? You see, when you say Chiamaka and Imaka, Imaka and Chi, just remove the Chi.
Yeah, I did them.
Leave this. Look, when I call you Imaka, it is an appreciation of how beautiful you are, and that is why I'm calling you. Even if you say Chiamaka, or there is Maka there. You understand? So I'll continue to call you Imaka because you're beautiful. You know what I'm talking about.
What insolence, what arrogance.
You know, this man that you are trying to throw off has very nice plans for you. I want you to enter into my list so that I will reform you. I'm a transformer. I can transform any girl into high voltage. You, Organic. What's your own? Am I talking to you?
They're talking to her. You can't talk to me now.
Listen, what are you saying about the marriage proposal? The one you married at their back proposed to you?
What impetus? What arrogance? You can imagine.
Imaka, don't say these things as if little. Am I not man enough? I can take care of you more than all these people you have been having your eyes.
You take care of me.
Of course.
Chiamaka.
Yes.
More.
Until which level now? Wow. See, I'm even putting Oga. Just hold it there. Imagine you. Imagine the son have not seen those standing up, not to talk of you, village man sitting down. Hey,
Oga. Are you one of those standing up or sitting down?
No,
yes, I want to do it.
You are even putting Oga.
No.
Don't put the Oga again.
I don't even care whether if somebody like you insults me, I won't even listen. Because calling it insult comes on is just like opening doors to be and letting the thing ooze out.
That you would
Why
think.
will I talk to you? Oh, just like you said, I come out around the quarter. I don't have dinner. I don't have dinner.
I know they look village face.
They're even lying under the ground.
Hey.
Imaka, talk to me.
I am talk to him.
This wretched old man.
You have time.
See, don't you ever, in your widest imagination, you sure what am I even doing? What are we saying?
This old man is the old man that's going to take care of you. And you see, you know you're glowing, you know. Your beauty is not shining. By the time I come into your life, it will shine. Allow this man to come into your life and your life will have a change. I'm telling you. I am the guardian angel. Look, I am the God that has listen for marriage, that is meant for you for marriage. You may go outside now and begin to go and look for those who are not your. No, Amaka, look at me. Why is it Amaka? What is wrong with me as it is? Everything that a man, even if you come to the thing that makes a man, I have it in extra.
Where?
God, of course, God gave me extra quantity. Yes, so look at you. Look at Mbakwa. She's deceiving you because she knows she's going to and she's going to marry until you marry 10 times.
What are we still doing here? I beg, let's go before this villager will start seeing us with
This old man will look at him. You have a my dog will not even marry. He can to look at you. See, for this village will not marry. I did not do it. I did not kill my husband. I did not kill Daddy.
Woman, shut up and listen. Listen to the elders of the land before we ask the Omoadas to deal with you mercilessly here and now. Now listen. You shall sleep with your husband's corpse for 3 nights. Then you must drink the water used in bathing him. Elders, have I spoken your minds?
You are correct.
Hey!
Hey! Elders, I am ready to sleep with my husband's body. Even if it's more than 3 days, 1 week, I can do it. But to drink the water, use him, bath him, that is very hygienic. I cannot do it.
You will drink it. Else, you will be banished from this our community.
Hey! This is unbearable, though. What have I done to you people? Is it not bad enough that I lost my husband? How can you... I've not done anything.
Crocodile tears. You are going. You must go. She must go.
Yes!
That is what our tradition says.
Yes. She must go.
Imaka, where are you going this stop now? Can't we even greet? Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to the market. Why are you asking?
I'm asking because I'm going to your house. How can you be going to market by this time?
My house?
Yes.
To do what?
Why are you going to do what as if you do not have? Because I bought something for you. And I bought
Something for me?
Yes. Hold it now, open it and you know exactly what I mean. You know, I went to the market and I said, what am I going to buy for this my beautiful darling? And I had to go and buy a material that will blend with your color. Next week, market dates, and I'm going to buy all the dishes that you normally use. Tell me the name of the pomade you use, the cream and everything, and I will...
Say this thing, rubbish man.
Imaka, wait. Wait, Imaka, you see?
Oga, can leave me alone, no?
It's not about leaving you alone. You don't have this problem. Why are you doing this thing? Why now? Huh? That is what I want. I want there. I want to. Yes, that is what I want to. Why your name? Why is this girl letting me down? Does she know how much I suffered to get this information? But whatever happened, I must get you. Instead, I will go to meet the doctor. It's unfortunate that the elders of our community will insist on pushing you out of your husband's place. It is very, very unfortunate. In spite of the pleadings from a lot of people, including some council members. and they still insisted on coming opposite. Well, this is your father's house. We will not tell you to move away from your father's house. We will accept you. But Wahima, you should have stayed to fight for your right. You should have stayed. Instead of just running away as soon as they say you run.
You mean I should have defied tradition and stayed back in my husband's house? Ha! Well, you don't wish me well. So you want those people to kill me? Me? Your only sister, flesh and blood?
I have not said that, Wahima. All I am saying is that your husband's property is worth fighting for. You should have stayed to fight for your husband's property, considering the fact that the man wasn't a pauper. At least he was a little middle-aged class. He has some property. You should have stayed to fight for it.
But you know that is not possible considering my present condition.
Your condition? Which means you are admitting the allegation that you killed your husband.
Me?
Are you saying me from what you are saying? What else do you want me to say when you are referring to as your present condition, which means you have accepted it, which means you are guilty as charged? Isn't it obvious?
What is obvious?
It is obvious that you killed your husband from what you have just said.
Hey, I still can't believe that you are the one saying this. You, my brother, my blood brother.
Look, don't take it like that. Wahima, should I tell you my candid opinion?
Go ahead.
Go back to your husband's place. Go back and fight to remove this stigma that these people are trying to place on you.
But you know the allegation is false, aren't you?
I do not know, Wahima. You see, don't begin to pressure this in as if I do not know what to say, because what you are making it very obvious now that you killed your husband. What? Are you not admitting it? That's what? There is nothing I can believe now. And in fact, I will be the last person to admit somebody that is branded a murderer into this very family. Because I don't want this family to be branded a murderer's family.
You are sending me out of my father's house. You mean I should leave my father's house?
Wahima, nobody is chasing you out of your father's house. Nobody is chasing you out of your father's house. But Wahima, you know the tradition. For kingdom's sake, if you are married, you stay in your husband's place.
But I still have the right to come to my father's house.
Come to your father's house, yes. Stay in your father's house, no. You can come visit and go back. If you say, where are you going to stay? Where are you going to be sleeping? This compound cannot accommodate all of us. Wahima, if you say you stay now, which land are you going to farm? What? Have I said anything strange? You know what? When you're ready to talk to me seriously, then come. Because you can.
Mama, I heard voices. What is wrong?
Ebuka, come, let's go to the farm.
What the farm?
Mother, is it a must to go to the farm?
Of course we must go to the farm. We have to farm so we can eat. You want us to starve to death? Let's go now, Ebuka!
Farm what?
What farm are you people talking about, if I may ask for him?
The farm at Oloko, of course.
The local farm is not for you. The local farm is not for your family, your children. I have told you, stay out of that local farm. In fact, for information, that land has been leased to somebody. And if they see your legs there, you may be arrested.
Arrested?
You know, if I'm arrested or someone arrested, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I don't want to be arrested by the police. Hey, Buka, come back here. Let's go to the farm. What? Didn't you hear what Uncle said? Me, I don't want to be arrested by the police.
No, go and get arrested.
Why are you doing this to me? Why?
What have I done to you?
What haven't you done? Why are you disorganizing?
Listen, I have told you, if you want to farm, you go to your husband's place and farm. Not here.
How do you mean? Won't I farm again? Will you give me food?
You cannot farm. I tell you, it's not enough for us, all of us. I have told you, it cannot contain all of us. Go to your husband's place and farm.
Have you people rejected me?
Nobody's rejecting you.
But what?
But you cannot come and farm. You don't have to come back here and then begin to struggle for farmland with me.
Let me farm while I'm here now. When I go, I leave the land again and go.
So why don't you go and farm in your husband's place?
I don't have the right to come back.
You are no longer. You left here a long time ago.
This is my father's house, and I have the right to come and say, what is wrong with you?
You belong here. You come. Has anybody pushed you out if you come to visit?
Okay. I don't know what I've done to you. What have I done now?
I have never seen in the whole vicinity anybody who after marriage of 9 years comes back and begins to struggle for land with his brother.
Just to farm!
How many plots of land do you think we have? You just want to farm, that's all.
You will not farm, you will not let me farm too. You will not give me food, you will not let me look for food.
Okay, so because I am not farming, I should call people to come and begin to farm because Owakwe is not farming any particular land.
But you said you leased it out to somebody.
Yes.
What is the person using it? Is it for farming?
I do not know. That's why I'm warning you.
I don't know what I've done to you.
I've told you, my own.
This is not fair.
I have told you. This is not fair.
This is not fair.
So, this time, if you like, go. Yeah, I don't want to be arrested by the police.
It's been 3 days since you told me not to farm on our land at the local. And I've been waiting to hear you give me an alternative. Okay, because I want to farm so that my students will not starve to death. Biko.
Have you finished?
That's all. That's all I have come to ask you.
If I tell you that this your question is very irrelevant, will you understand it?
Irrelevant, you say?
In fact, to be candid, you can see I'm eating this, and I intend for it to digest. So if you don't have any other relevant thing, any good subject to bring up, I'd like to be left alone.
You are pushing me. You are pushing me. Real bad. And you know, if you push somebody to the wall, the person will have no other alternative than to fight back. I can see that you don't want peace to reign in this family.
Aima, throw your first punch. I will take it. Yes.
Are you sure you can take it? Don't run away.
Why, Aima, you know me. I am saying you work where you know. I have faced the strongest man of men. How much more a man will do my life? You are even lucky just because you're my sister.
Okay. I am going straight to the Igwe's palace to report to the Igwe and the elders in council.
What did you say?
You heard me now. I am going to report you. Let me go to the Igwe and report to them that you have refused to give me water. Do you want me to beg for food?
You have my idea. When you go to the Igwe's palace, what are you doing?
The truth, of course.
Okay. That you killed your husband.
Of course you know it is a lie. Listen, Owakwe, all this you're threatening me with, kill your husband. You know it is not true. And I'm beginning to suspect you that you might be the one that actually killed my husband.
Listen.
Since you're always talking about kill. You are the only one that knows how to kill. Why? And you even killed your wife too. Listen. Since it's only the living that killed the dead.
Even if I killed your husband, the circumstances surrounding you now, which you know very well, points directly that you killed your husband. Who will believe you when you say you did not kill your husband? I can believe you. Will the world believe you?
Clear conscience, fears no accusation.
You
know what? I am going straight to the Igbo to report to him. Let him call you to come and open your mouth and tell them that I killed my husband. I'm waiting for you.
They will not believe you. All of them will believe that you won't kill your husband. You have now come to your father's place to kill your brother because you are looking for land. It has not entered your head yet. It will sense. You know what I say. Zuma may go to tell you. You are going to Igwe in council to go and tell them that you killed them. You don't know they will accuse you. If she goes to Igwe, I'm in trouble.
Where are you going to? No, there's no food in this house, can't you see? But you're fixing this now. That was in the morning now. And what time is it now?
It is just past 12.
Just past 12, and you're hungry again.
Oh, that is Ebuka for you.
Ebuka, who did you buy? Hey, shut up. Listen to me, Ebuka. At your age, you should learn how to manage. Manage in times of plenty and in times of scarcity. Besides, this place is not your father's house. Mother, food has nothing to do with age now. And I'm in my grandpa's house and I should be treated as a grandson.
What is wrong with you, Ebuka?
I am hungry, that is the matter with me. And you can't keep quiet. Must you always talk when somebody talks?
Ebuka. Where's your place, baby?
It's not mother.
What did you do?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes, uncle.
But I saw you eating this morning.
That was in the morning.
Oh, that was in the morning.
Yes, uncle.
What is the time now?
I don't know. I don't have a wristwatch.
You don't have a wristwatch? Okay, let me help you. The time is past 12. I saw you eating in the morning. And you want to eat again? Ebuka, look at me. I've not eaten for the past 2 days.
Why? Are you fasting?
I'm fasting. But my own is by force fasting.
By force? Which one is by force fasting?
I have told you now, fasting is supposed to be by choice. But my own is by force.
But why?
But why? Have I not... You want to eat canoe? Bend down, let's do canoe. Take. Welcome to the club of Pankane.
It's very hard.
That's the beauty of it. It helps drive away hunger.
You're strong.
I'm strong now. Because I don't want to starve. Amadi, what kept you so long now? I've been waiting for you since. We need to get that money before it gets dark.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was held up by my father's wife.
Your father's wife?
What were you doing teaching my son Ebuka how to eat palm kernel?
But Mama, what is wrong with it now?
Everything. Everything, Okwa. And you know very well that Ebuka has a very sensitive stomach.
But Mama, palm kernel will not kill him now.
Who told you that? Dr. Okwa, who told you?
But Mama, I've been eating palm kernel for a very long time. It doesn't kill people now.
That is you, Okwa. You can eat it for all eternity, for all I care. But please, don't introduce your stupid and useless lifestyle to my son Ebuka. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
What did I do?
Well, this is a simple case. She says, don't give him palm kernel again.
It was Ebuka that said he was hungry. What have I done wrong by giving him palm kernel to eat?
Okwa, stop giving him palm kernel. Let's go. Let's go.
Okwa, let's go, let's go.
Amadi. Amadi, I'm tired.
Okwa, what do you mean?
I'm tired of life. I'm tired of living like this. Amadi, see the work we just finished. After clearing this big farm, look at what this woman gave us. 400 naira. Is this life? Is this life? Tomorrow now we'll go back to square one.
Okwa, we don't have a choice, do we? We don't.
I want to leave this village.
What?
I want to leave this village. I can't continue like this. This suffering is too much for me. I believe I'll make it in the city. I'm hardworking, I'm strong.
Okwa, listen, going to the city is even going to be harder. You don't know anybody in this village, let alone going in the city.
I don't need to know anybody before I can make it. Amadi, I need to leave. I can't continue walking like this. I just wounded myself now. You see, my only problem is how to raise money to go to the city. That's the only problem I have now.
But that is where the problem is. Ebe I can't somebody. Do we get the money? City, money. Let's continue managing. God will help us one day. I have a choice.
I have to leave. I can't continue like this.
Let's continue. I have a choice.
I can continue. I'm tired. I've tried for the day.
Let me give the money first though.
Eat, drink anything you want to take. Look, are you not finished this and you're not taking this meat? You know, I love you like I love my son. That's why at times when I do certain things to you and you get angry, I begin to do that you don't understand. In this family, it's only you and I. We are the men in this family, no other person. And we are the only people who have authority to own the land, the family land. Not even your mother is qualified to own a land. If you know, come. Mama, drink. No, you're not drinking, you're not eating. Drink, Okwa, eat. Don't you get afraid of me. Because you know that in this family, before I get 6 feet below, I'll hand over everything to you. You should know that. All this is I'm doing is in your own interest. You think I'm maltreating you, it's not maltreatment. We should relate more together. You understand what I'm saying? Eat meat. Come, madam. Bring another dish for him. Eat. Don't be afraid whenever you want. Just like you're my son, you know that.
I actually sent for you for something very important. Would you want to eat? Are you hungry? Yeah, I mean, would you want to eat any food? Anything?
You want to give me some food to eat?
Yes.
I'm not hungry.
Anyway, I know I might have been harsh to you over these years, but that's okay. That does not stop me from being your mother still.
Am I your son?
Of course you're my son.
Really?
Or haven't you been calling me Mama? You're calling me mother.
Okay, Mama, if you're my mother, where is my father? And who is my father?
Your father.
Or did I fall from the sky?
Anyway, that's a topic for another day. I've always told you that I will tell you everything you need to know someday. Okay? I called you for something very important. You see, your uncle has been making things difficult for us. Look at you. A young man like you. You have no access to your grandfather's land. Me, I have no access to my father's land. Eh? Something has to be done about it, and very fast too.
Like what?
I want you to go to the Igwe and the elders in council and make a report about this matter.
I should go to the Igwe and the elders in council to make a report.
That's exactly what I mean. Okay. You're not saying anything.
Mama, I've heard you now. You said I should go and make a report. I've heard you now.
Should go on.
Going out.
You haven't done what I told you to do.
And what is that?
That you go and report to the Igwe in council.
Which one should I report?
What do you mean by that?
Well, there are two things here. Is it your own or my uncle's own?
What do you mean by that?
My uncle told me something. He said I should report to the Igwe so that you can be ostracized from this village.
What? He told you that?
He also told me to report my uncle to the Igwe so that they can collect all the lands in his possession. But I'm going there to do just one thing, which is I'm going to beg them to help me persuade you so that you can show me who my father is.
You do no such thing.
Why?
I forbid you.
Why would you forbid him?
Why?
Why would you forbid him from knowing his biological father? He deserves the right to know who his father is. He's a man, he's no longer a kid. Why are you forbidding him? It is careless of you to do that. He demands for something, give it to him. Tell him! Don't keep him confused. Then insist. You know?
Nobody is telling me no.
Fine! And it will not come out from her mouth. Insist, she must tell you.
How is the food?
It's good, mother.
Eat, my children. Eat. If you finish this one, and you want some more, thank you, mother.
What is really happening? Every day, Wanyima and the children are feeding fat and feeling comfortable. In the morning, they will drink tea. In the afternoon, they would rather eat rice or curry. And in the night, it is fried plantain and eggs. I am suspicious. Wanyima is dipping her hand to something I do not know. And I have to find out. They've been very comfortable. Why? How? Where? When?
If you need some more, tell me. Are you ready to prepare the next meal?
I'm fine, thank you.
This is for you.
What is this? Hey.
What?
Oh, Destiny, why now?
Eh? I've always told you to stop risking your life because of me.
But you need to eat something, eh? I don't want you to die of hunger. You need to eat. Please.
How can I die of hunger? Just that your mother almost killed the two of us because you gave me food to eat. I've told you, I don't want anything to happen to you because of me.
Don't worry about my mother. Nothing will happen to me, okay? Nothing. You know you need this food. You need to eat something. Please. Eat something.
Destiny, why are you always doing this?
Because I love you.
I love you too.
Let's go inside.
You don't know this village is full of poverty and backwardness. I can't wait to leave this village.
Eh? Okwa, come.
Huh?
You mean you're serious? You want to leave this village?
I'm very serious now. What am I doing anything in this village? Eh? I'm serious.
Ukwa, so how are you going to survive in the city?
How I will survive? I'll survive, oh. I'll survive. I know I'll survive. I have faith that I'll survive. All I need is transport money to leave this village. If I get transport now, I'll just go.
That is the problem now. Who will give you money to travel? Who?
I'm thinking of borrowing. When I get to the city, I will pay back.
You will pay back when you get to the city. That is to say, the unfortunate person will wait till eternity.
Wait, why are you laughing? Are you trying to say I will not get something doing when I get to the city?
Mbana and Mayala, for what? I know you will pay. What I'm saying is maybe after like 10, 15 years when you come back.
No, stay in this village.
Pay is pay.
You are not a serious man.
Okay, come back, don't worry. You must get something that will pay.
Destiny. Love wanting. Destiny.
What is the meaning of that?
I say love wanting. Destiny. Are you deaf? I said give my own share of the love wanting, my own share. After all, I caught you the other day in that uncompleted video with that local boy, that village champion. What's that idiot's name? Okwa. I caught both of you there.
Polycarp, listen, I don't know what is wrong with you this morning, no. If this palm wine that you went to tap this morning is disturbing your head, go and cure yourself somewhere else, oh. Not here. Excuse me.
I believe, wait. I believe you don't know the gravity of what you've just committed. If Polycarp should open his mouth and talk in this village, I'm telling you, Destiny, you'll be completely off. But I'll message you. I'll give you a very good consideration only on one condition.
What is the condition?
I know you will understand. I know you will buy my ideas. The condition is that if you give me the love wanting, nobody will hear about it. Even your mother will not know about it. I swear.
Why are you doing this now? What is all this now?
Okay. Okay, you are not ready to play ball. You are not ready to play ball, Destiny. I know what to do. Don't worry, let me just go and see your mother. Then have one or two things to discuss with her.
Wait now.
Don't worry, you will understand when the time comes. Don't worry.
Come now, Polycarp, come. Hey. Polycarp now.
Don't worry.
Please now. Polycarp, please don't tell my mother now.
Mama, can I sit down?
Who's your mother?
Mama, as strange as it looks, you're my mother and you cannot deny it.
No. I am not your mother. I cannot be a mother to someone who has become a pain in the ass for me. All in my flesh.
Mama, it's enough.
Somebody who will not carry out this work for me.
Mama, I said it's enough. It's enough. Mama, I came to see you.
To see me?
Mama, I need your help.
Help for what?
I want to leave this village. I want to go to the city.
You want to travel to the city? If you want to travel to the city, travel to the city now.
And that's why I'm here to see you now. I need your help.
For what?
I need some money for transportation.
Where is the money?
But Mama, you're holding money now.
This money I'm counting was given to me by a man like you.
And you want me to give it to you?
Okay, Mama, please now. Lend me some money. When I get to the city and get something doing, I promise to pay back, please.
Borrow. Pay back. You good for nothing. Pay back.
Who do I turn to now? Things are falling apart. No one seems to care. What have I done wrong? Where do I go from here? I don't know what to do.
Wait!
Wait! Polycarp, wait! Mister, wait now, wait. What do you want?
You know what I want?
Yes.
You know what I want? Love 120. That's all I need from you. Love 120.
Polycarp, no problem, no problem. I will give it to you.
Are you very sure?
I'm serious, I will give it to you, don't worry.
When?
Okay, just wait for me at that uncompleted building. I'll come in 1 hour.
Are you very sure?
Hey, I'll give it to you, don't worry now. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, go now.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay, I will go.
You go now.
I will go.
Wait.
Huh? Mama Destiny! Ah, Big Mama.
Are you the one shouting my name like that?
Big Mama. The Mama, Madam Hoa. Che. You get mad.
What do you want?
Mama, in fact, anytime I set my eyes on you, you always look younger than your real age.
Polycarp, please don't make me laugh. What do you want?
Tell us the secret.
Poly, what is it?
Huh?
What is it?
What is it? But listen. But I just said the truth. Your mother is a box of beauty, and I believe that you took after her.
Polycarp, oh yeah, leave my daughter alone. Go.
Madam Hoa.
Polly, I said leave. Go now.
Do you really want me to go?
Go.
But you've not asked me why I came to the place. You've not.
Then what are you doing here? Tell me.
Huh?
Why are you here?
You want me to go? You really want me to go? Madam Hoa?
Polly, go, please. Go.
Come. There's this pan. Just test it. Test it. It's undiluted. No water. There's nothing.
Yeah. Polycarp, so you mean to give me wine to drink?
Yes.
Then go and get me my cup. Go and get my cup before he changes his mind.
If that's the case, I'm not giving you again. I will never give you again.
Polly, wait now. Let her get the cup. Polly, oya come, go. Polly, oya come now. Don't be annoyed now. Hey, wait, she's coming. Hurry up.
Madam Hoa.
Yeah. Polly,
Madam Hoa. Okay.
One more now.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey. Polly.
Madam Hoa.
The wine is so fresh.
That makes me the best.
Thank you.
Polycarp. Nobody taps my wine.
You can say that again, Polly.
Okay.
Hey, okay, do you know what? Let me go inside and finish my food. After eating, I will now drink it to wash it down.
Okay.
But start going now.
I see.
Go.
Okay, I will.
Right, Polly, don't waste time, go.
No,
Uncle, I promise to pay back when I get something doing.
You intend to pay back when?
When I get something doing.
Or when you get something done? I'm happy. At least you're thinking of doing something. That makes you a prospective wage earner, a potential wage earner. Because I know there are people who loaf about in this village who don't even have an aim in life. Well, I'm happy you're thinking in the right direction for now. I'll give you the money.
Uncle, you give me the money?
Yes, I'll give you the money.
Thank you very much, Uncle.
But there's a condition attached.
Conditions?
Yes.
Uncle, what condition?
The condition is that you have to work in my farm for 5 days consecutively and work good work.
Work in your farm?
No, work in my factory.
Uncle, as your laborer?
No, as the owner of the factory. Or as the machine that produces something in the factory. This is... Look, if you begin to do Yanga, I would cut the whole thing off. Okay, fine, don't even accept.
Uncle, I'll do it.
Look at you. You never see feeling even I didn't want to force. You want to feel like China just do. And what other thing? It's not as if you just go there and when you go there you walk. And I will see what you have worked before I give you the money. And you have to be the very first person to be in that very farm. You wake before everybody. Go to that very farm, you will be the last to leave. First to come and the last to leave. You see, oh, it's alright, don't forget it. I'm no longer interested.
Okay, Uncle, I'll do it. I'll do it. I accept.
As if they may. Because when you are ready, you tell me.
Uncle, I'm ready. I'll do it.
Okay. I will tell you when I'm ready for you to go to the farm. I have told you leave. I'll give you the money, Jebe. Maybe probably by tomorrow morning you will start. But there's no time to kill. You come, you eat. Oh, as if no, bro, it's not your destiny that is this thing. Don't hum inside there because if I hear any hum in there, the deal is off.
So this is true.
What is true?
That you're now your uncle's servant. You work in his farm day in, day out. Yet he gives you peanuts.
Haven't you seen me? What do you want me to do? Isn't it better to be a slave, get what I want, than remaining in this village as a poor man for life?
Well, I expected you to tell me it's a lie.
Why? But what do you want me to do? I told you I don't have money to leave this village. Did I not tell you? I told you I don't have money to leave. This is the only way.
Hey.
Oh, see my uncle is coming. I told you now. Eh?
What are you doing here? Oh, you are conversing. Very good. You are conversing. I gave you an assignment and you have done it halfway. You must finish it today before you go.
Uncle, I saw Amadi.
Fine. I don't want to know whether you saw Amadi or you saw Amadi or her. What I'm telling you, I will not condone indolent people, lazy people in this my business. Do you understand? We don't have it in our family. You saw Amadi, and then you stop. When you go further now, you saw Ejike, and you will stand again. That assignment, you must finish it today.
Uncle, let me get to the house now and eat something. I'm very hungry.
So this is your own techniques. You go to the farm, you work 1 hour, you go home and eat. Then you go back again and work. Then you come home to drink water, probably after 30 minutes. Eh? Whether it is, I don't even want to know. Whether it is by 12 o'clock in the midnight. What I have told you is that you see that job, you will finish it today. Each other, meet you here. Okay, you think everything is just sweepstake? You come and eat.
Have you seen it? Have you seen what you've cost? I told you I don't have money to leave this village. This is the only way I can make money.
What sort of uncle is this? I'm just feeling for you.
return to now. Things are falling apart. No one seems to care. What have I done wrong? Where do I go from here? I don't know what to do. What have I done wrong? Where do I go from here? I don't know what to do.
Back to the farm.
By this time?
And that's why I'm in a hurry now, so it doesn't get dark.
Do you want to die? Why do you want to die enslaving yourself for another man all your life? Eh? He enslaves you every day and night. What is your problem?
What is my problem?
What is your problem?
Mama, you know what? Let us leave this discussion for another day. Because as it is now, my ears are closed. I don't understand myself because you have refused to tell me who my father is.
Uwakwe has used my son for money ritual. Uwakwe has used my son for money ritual. Hi! Uwakwe.
Uwakwe. Uwakwe Nwangwa. Uwakwe. Uwakwe. Sing with my name. Because I know you cannot stay a day without mentioning my name. It is so sweet in your ears. Have you not destroyed my name enough for you to leave me alone now?
I will never leave you alone until you stop perpetrating evil in this family.
What evil? Manyaka, tell me.
Uwakwe, what have you done to my son? What?
I thought we had something serious to discuss.
Uwakwe, I ask you again. What have you done to my son? What?
Well, I think the question should be rephrased like this. Uwakwe, what have you done for my son? And I'll answer it. I have done for your son those things you refuse to do for him.
You have virtually turned my son into your slave. Listen, let me tell you. It is no longer a small conversation in our family. Uwakwe, my son. Who
knows whether Balagada or Chikoloku? Let me tell you, when you are deceiving yourself, oh my son, any passerby will think that you have so much love for this your son. Have you forgotten the past? Have you forgotten how you treated him in the past? Now, oh, caring mother, caring about the son. Let me give you even one information. You see that boy, he is not as stupid as you portrayed him. He has sense. Where are you going?
I'm going back to the farm to finish the work.
No, you have worked enough.
Uncle Boy, you asked me to finish the work today.
I said, but you have worked. Haven't you worked today? Today is today. So go in.
Uncle Boy, you sounded as if you were serious. You shouted at me some fear.
No. You got it all wrong. It wasn't you I was shouting at. It was that boy. That boy is a hoodlum. I don't want you to associate with such people. Do you understand? That urchin. That's where you can look. Go and rest.
Hi.
This boy is not stupid. He has sense.
My own son.
Don't think let me tell you, when you begin to do this thing, do you love this boy? Be honest with yourself. Have you forgotten what happened? Why are you pretending that the boy is so dead? You are so fond of him. I'm not a good.
Hi! Agamu. Mubagamu.
Come. Destiny. Destiny, come. Don't ever think of it.
What?
Do not ever think of it. You wanted to run away after seeing you.
Me? Destiny, run away. Why? No, I just forgot something there. I just wanted to go and pick it. I can't run away from you now.
Okay.
Why?
After seeing you wanted to run. I will just leave this place, walk straight to your mother's house, tell her about everything that's been going on in this village. Listen, see, look at you. Just look at you. You wanted to run away. Do you think you can run away from Polycarp?
I can't run away now. No. See, listen.
You can never run away from Polycarp.
Polycarp, wait now. I've been very, very busy lately. Very, very busy. Very, very busy. Look at now. I'm coming from somewhere.
Okay.
I've been very busy.
You have been very, very busy.
Yes.
You have been very, very busy.
Yes.
Under uncompleted building. Inside bushes. By the riverside. Yes, Destiny has been very, very busy of late. Yeah. Let me clap for you.
See, Polycarp, you don't understand. See, let me tell you something. Since yesterday, I've been...
Listen. Let us cut this long story short. Are you ready to give me what I want? Are you?
Polycarp?
Yes.
Now, is it here?
Yes. This is the best place, of course. After all, there's nobody here. We can just go into the bush and 2 minutes we are done. You go, I'll go.
Polycarp, it's not like that. See, okay, don't worry. Let me just rush and go and give these things to my mother. She sent me on an errand. Don't worry, tomorrow I will come here. Anywhere, we'll do it. It's a small thing.
Tomorrow.
Don't worry, tomorrow now.
Are you sure tomorrow?
I'm sure.
Very, very sure.
Yes, don't worry.
Destiny, from your face you are lying to me. You are lying to me, Destiny.
My face?
Yes. 3 good times. You disappointed me. 1, 2, 3 times you disappointed me. And you are not telling me the truth. You are not telling me the truth. I will just go to your mother now. Tell your mother about what you and that village you just be doing.
Polycarp, no. Okwa is not a village idiot. He is not a village idiot.
Okay.
Do you understand me? He's not.
Your mother will decide that. Your mother will, let me just go and tell her. No, let me just go and tell her.
Tomorrow.
Are you
sure?
Are you sure?
Yes.
No,
Polycarp, wait now. What is wrong with you?
Come, I want it now.
Wait for me now. Let me talk.
Come. Destiny! You get the power to slap me. Okay.
I'm not here to see you. I've come to see your mother.
Polycarp, wait. Wait. If you go and tell my mother, you spoil everything. Wait. I sent Okechukwu to you now.
Okechukwu?
Yes, the one that sells compound.
What's the message that you dropped?
I tried to tell you that I'm coming to see you at the uncompleted building.
Are you serious?
Go before my mother comes.
See, the weight is gradually cooling down.
I'm coming now. I'm sure. Don't worry, I'm coming. Don't worry.
Yeah, sure.
Before my mother comes down. Yeah.
So you
go.
Who was that?
Who?
I thought I heard voices now.
Voices? Mama, there are no voices. Voices? No, I was just reciting my poem. You know, we have school poems. I was just reciting it.
You are reciting poem? Why we are supposed to be cooking evening meals?
Mom, we have poem competition in school.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Now go to the kitchen, please.
Go and check us.
Stupid girl.
Rolling.
Good afternoon.
Have you finished?
Yes, I finished.
That's good. You can now have your rest. Because you have cried.
Uncle. Thank you, Uncle. It's about my traveling. What we discussed last time. It's been 2 weeks now and I've not heard from you.
About your money?
Yes.
You see, the way you people punish yourselves out of laziness. I gave you specific time to finish that work. 5 days. You could not finish it in 5 days and I was keeping money. When the thing entered the 6th day, the money started going gradually, little by little. How many days now? The money is finished. But let us hope that probably by next week something will come. If you had finished that work at the time, in that 5 days, I would have given you the money.
Uncle, are you trying to say I should be ready by next week? I'll travel.
Well, you have to get ready all the time. Any person who is alive will have to be ready all the time. It's even in the Bible. You have to be awake. You don't know when Jesus will come again. You don't know when anything will come, even when you're traveling. But you have to be ready. Pray hard so that by next week it will work out.
Uncle, is the food still remaining?
The food. You're just strolling in from the gate now. You are still having your panga. You're asking about food. You should have started asking about food from the gate. I said go and have your rest.
I'm not eating anything.
And drink water. We don't eat, you drink. Mead. This one is full, the throne is full too. Start with water first. You don't know the geography of this place again. You have lost your bearing because of hunger.
I wanted to drop the knife.
Is there no place to drop the cutlass in your hut? Because that place, is that where you normally drop the cutlass? Maybe. Start drinking water. Start from water. By the time you finish 1 gallon, food will come.
He's asking to meet him here now. Where is he now? Ukwa, I don't like this. Ukwa, come out. Ukwa now, where are you now? Come out. I'm not playing, come out.
Are you surprised? Destiny.
See your life. Look at your life.
Polika, what is it? What?
What? I knew that you were coming here to meet him. I knew it.
How did you know?
I was there when he was sending that boy to come and call you. I was there. Destiny. What are you doing with that boy? What?
Hey, Polika. Polika, leave me alone now.
You know it's not possible.
Leave me alone, no.
You know it's not. I can't leave you alone.
Let me be.
I can't leave you alone. And if I must leave you alone, it's going to be on one condition.
Yeah. What is the condition?
That you leave that boy.
Polycarp, that is impossible. I will never leave him. Never. It is not possible.
I can't leave you alone. I can't leave you alone. On several occasions you've been slapping me, I've been enjoying the slaps. On several occasions you've asked me to wait for you. I waited and waited and waited, I didn't see you. That boy is a poor boy, he can't take good care of you. He's a poor boy.
Let it be, I like it like that. Let that be my worry and not yours. Let me, Polycarp, let me be now. Just let me be. What is wrong with you now? Let me be. I don't love you. Leave me alone now.
I can't leave you alone.
Leave me alone. What is all this?
I can't leave you alone, not until you do what I asked you to do for me.
You know I cannot do that. I can never do that.
You cannot do it.
I can't do it.
Okay. Alright. Your mother must hear this.
Polycarp, go and tell my mother. Go and tell her. Go and tell her everything. Everything, go and tell her.
I should go and tell your mother.
Everything.
I should tell your mother.
I am not afraid of you.
I should tell about uncompleted building. Bushes. Riverside.
Tell my mother. Polycarp, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Polycarp, I will shout. I will shout.
Good afternoon.
Stupid man. He's always doing this every time. It's Polycarp. You know how he always behaves. He must be on his way to tell my mother. I shouldn't stop him. For what now? What if he goes and tells my mother? What will happen?
Destiny, how long has this been going on?
It has been going on for some time now. I mean, several occasions. The last time he said he saw me on top of the palm tree when I brought food for you and I was in your arms. And he has been threatening to tell my mother ever since. On 3 occasions he has come to our house to report, but I've tried so hard to stop him.
He has been threatening you and you didn't tell me?
Let me just try and stop him.
Don't go to anywhere. Stay where you are.
What is going on here? I saw that idiot, Polycarp, shouting your name like a madman. What did you do to him? You didn't do anything to him.
No, what happened was the other day, he saw me from this palm tree when I came to bring food for him. You know how my mother can be sometimes, so let me just try and go and see if I can stop him.
Wait, we have been going through all this in that idiot hand.
He's been threatening me every time he's always threatening me. But what can I do now? He wants me to go and report to my mother. Let me just try and see if I...
Don't go. See, I'm going now to stop that good for nothing idiot. I'm going to deal with him now.
What will you do?
What will I do? Look, I know that guy. That guy is a rapist. He deals with widows in this village. See, as I'm even talking to you now, he has a case to answer at the Igwe's palace.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. But don't worry. What will get him will come. By the time I'm through with him, you will know. Hope is that old fool.
Every time he's always harassing me. Every time.
Polycarp. Say, don't worry.
Yes. As a matter of fact, I would have left today. But I had to see you first, so I'll leave tomorrow.
It's okay. Listen, I'm really happy for you, okay? It has been my secret wish for you to go to the city and make it there. I really want the best for you, okay? You don't belong here. You belong in the city. And I know that you will do great there. You will do so much work there.
Thanks for your confidence in me. I intend to make it very big in the city. I have faith. And when I do,
promise not to disappoint you.
I know.
I love you very much.
I love you so much. I love you too. That's my mother.
Mother?
Oh my God. Where are they? Where are those fools? Over! Over! Show your face! Show your face! Where are you? Over! Over! Where is that to cross the boy? Where is he? I said, where is that peasant? Where is that good for nothing stupid boy? Let me come in and face my right here. Where is that boy?
Why you?
Where is your son? Where is that your good for nothing son? What has he not done? What has he not done? He just spent my own daughter for me.
He did what? Point to your daughter.
My daughter.
Your daughter came back and Maro. Your daughter that I know. Your daughter is already a dustbin. You can't spoil this thing. Already on Yakago. So why was this very accusation as if your daughter is a saint? Your daughter should be the one to caution. You know what he did to that very boy. If not for good doctors. What did this boy when you can? The boy had to go for wheel balancing and alignment before nap because your daughter has destabilized his waist.
You dare talk about my own daughter in this manner before Mua?
Uchelu, Nazo, are you the one looking for my fine son?
Ebeke.
Okay, he has gone far away. Where your hand and that of your daughter? It's again not rich. You heard me well, I said it now. My son has gone to the, you call him a peasant, eh? He's now a city boy.
City boy.
Who dash monkey banana? City boy, Who dash monkey banana? Only dash Elia. City ebe.
You see, because banana is too far away from you, you think that banana is out of everybody's reach.
And everybody banana is good.
But this monkey is about plantation for banana. So what stops him from enjoying the banana?
As much as he wants.
Easily.
Anyhow, anything.
That's your daughter. Go and demobilize her waist. Because on a walk, or let her go and find another coolant. Coolant in car and go. I can even recommend.
Tell your daughter, that my son is not available at the moment. She should try again later. My son is not available at the moment.
I will come back.
No, don't go. Come back. Where is she going? Come and look for my son now.
In another for me or for who? I have some good vulcanizers who will treat your daughter fine, and they are very virile and energetic.
Diko, why is she looking for living in the land of the dead?
Emma, why are you so lazy? Why are you so lazy? Can't you get up and look for what to do for yourself?
Okwa, you know I don't have anything doing.
You don't have anything doing? Then go and get something doing.
You are talking as if I don't want to do anything. What about you? What about you?
What about me?
Yes.
You're comparing yourself with me now. Okay. Look at me. Haven't I had my bath this morning? I'm about to go out to hustle. So I can make money because I know there's no food for a lazy man.
Papa, I hope you are not by indirect way calling me a lazy man.